Good evening. It is my pleasure to welcome you this evening. Today, we celebrate our nation's 72nd Republic Day. At Tata Motors, we're also celebrating the 75th year of our operations. And there is no better way to do so than by bringing back our iconic Safari. It's our way of reintroducing India to the jewel that pioneered the SUV culture and is now back to re-energize the market. In its new avatar, the Safari is a potent combination of power, elegant sophistication, offers an unmatchable combo of exceptionally strong lineage, robust build quality, premium finishes, and let's not forget the 4 Ps: power, performance, presence, and prestige. Without any further ado, I now invite Pratap to tell us more about the design story behind the new Safari. Over to you, Pratap.
Thanks, Sudeep. Hi, friends of the media. I couldn't be with you all today. Of course, we can't be together face to face, but I join you from our global design studio. You know, the Safari for me is a very personal story. When I was doing a summer internship in 1994 at Tata Motors, Telco, when I was studying design, that was when the original Safari was being designed. When I joined the company in 2008, my first project was the Storm. And today we present to you the design story and we present you the all-new Safari. So it's a moment of great pride personally for me, but also for the rest of the global design team. The Safari has always stood for 4 main things: power, prestige, performance, and presence. And presence is something that design really helps establish in all the generations of the Safari. And the new one is no different. Building on the incredibly capable Omega Arc platform, we bring in our Impact 2.0 design philosophy, which people have come to love, appreciate. It's won many awards. It's really brought us onto the map, so as to speak. So combining the pedigree of the Omega Arc and the impact of Impact 2.0 design, we started designing the new Safari. It's always a moment of excitement, but also responsibility when you redesign an icon, a legend. And a legend is an idea. You know, the power of a legend is the power of its idea, what it truly represents. And I think the new Safari really lives up to its legendary status. It does everything that the original did, but it brings it into a new era, a new interpretation for the evolved customer, those who like to seek adventure in their daily lives, and they like to do things together in groups. So like-minded people who like to get out together. So this is what the new Safari truly represents. Now let me take you through some of the layers of the Safaris. So let's start with the front view. As you know, in Tata Motors design, we are all about strength without aggression. So the front view is actually the face of the car. It's very important in how it's perceived. The front view is extremely powerful, but is never aggressive. The face of the car is reassuring, it promises you a certain performance, and that's what it does through its design. This imposing grille, this high bonnet which is sculpted, very strong bumpers, very, very strong down the road graphic, instantly recognizable. When we go to the side view, of course, this is where the characteristic and the DNA of the original really comes into play. The strong wheel arches, which promises the ability the architecture inherently has. The stepped roof line is in itself an icon. And of course, the rear 3/4 glass, again linked to an interior story. When we move to the rear, the Safari had this tall tailgate which gave access to the interior from the back. To throw in anything that you wanted to. It really promises that unlimited storage ability. We have this coast to coast, edge to edge, lighting element which balances the height and makes the car look a lot wider, a lot more planted in that rear view. Of course, the twin tip exhausts also are a nod to the power of this vehicle. As far as the exterior goes, we've kept it really simple, but we've moved it on to another level, building on the DNA, not copying the past. So let's talk about the interior. That's where the actual strength of our architecture and the Safari really comes into its own. The 3 rows of seating are unique. We have a stadium effect in all 3 rows. This means that in whichever row you're sitting, you have a sense of space, your vision is unobstructed, and you're able to really appreciate the non-claustrophobic nature of our interior. This is of course helped with the fact that we've gone for this brand new oyster white material for our seating and for the door trims. We also have this beautiful ash wood finish on the instrument panel, again in this wing-like insert which goes edge to edge, really widening the car, giving you that sense of occasion, that sense of space. This is the best 6 or 7 seats on 4 wheels. So, that is in effect, our interior and color material finish story. So thank you for being with us today. And now I hand over to my colleague Mohan Savarkar, who will take you through some more details of this incredible new Safari.
Thank you, Pratap. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, Tata Motors has in many ways defined the SUV culture in India with iconic products over the last 2 decades. And our SUVs are known for a certain DNA. First and foremost, that our SUVs have attractive proportions and deliver exhilarating performance. They are also known for their comfort, superior ride and handling. They always provide a new benchmark in terms of robust build quality and durability. Safari has always been known for its powerful stance, unmatched performance and effortless drivability. When we started this project, we wanted to make certain that Tata Motors continues to dominate the SUV space by building on the SUV DNA. We began by giving the team a set of challenges to make sure that the new Safari came out true to its legacy and iconic stature. For the new flagship, we wanted to deliver stunning design, luxurious comfort for passengers in all 3 rows, and take a quantum leap in perceived quality for the discerning customer. With this in mind, we defined 5 pillars that would help us deliver our product aspirations. I will take you through them one by one. To begin with, TML has a strong SUV lineage starting from the days of Sierra. To continue the dominance, we decided to settle for nothing less than the gold standard of SUV platforms. We started with proven architectural heritage of the JLR D8 platform for conceptualizing the Omega architecture, and then developed the all-new Safari on 8. We made extensive use of high-strength steel for efficiently designed crumple zones to achieve torsional stiffness and stability, attributes that are required for true SUV character. The Safari is also modular enough to accommodate future technologies. For comfort and superior ride, the new Safari is provided with massive 18-inch wheels with a lot of rubber. We have carried over the D8 front suspension design as it offers excellent dynamics and a stable ride over varying terrain. The twist blade design from Lotus Engineering has been retuned to provide superior passenger comfort. We provide sumptuous roominess in all 3 rows. We have paid due attention to detail, including an additional air conditioning unit, contoured cushions, optimal chair height, a stepped roof, and ample utility places for storage. For providing exhilarating performance, the power comes from a 170 horsepower diesel engine and a 6-speed torque converter that is tuned to deliver the perfect combination of powerful pickup and performance in both city and highway driving conditions. It also offers precise gear shifts and refinements. We have provided multi-drive modes, Eco, City and Sports. In addition, ESP terrain response modes, normal, rough and wet, help to take on all kinds of driving conditions. The new Safari delivers superior acceleration, has class-leading high-speed drivability, as well as superior low-end drivability. For achieving the next level of finesse, we have taken inputs from discerning customers and opinion makers in terms of aesthetics, fits and finishes, materials, NBS refinement and comfort. Going ahead, to make sure that the design and engineering was delivered in line with our aspirations, we have taken up a deeper level of dimensional variability analysis, DFMEA and higher product specifications. We have also ratcheted up the test standards and validation processes to make sure that the new Safari maintains its level of refinement throughout its life. In the product development process, we have leveraged global strategic supplier base to ensure that the materials and processes are state of the art. For product maturation, we have taken the new Safari through the Blue Buck and E-Cube qualification processes. Coming to manufacturing, to ensure a consistent quality and premium feel, we have adopted the JLR build process for the BIW. High levels of automation help us ensure precise builds. We have installed adequate level of inspection and control using geometric palettes and inline gauging. Further, to make sure that the Safari is fully fit for Indian driving conditions and the Indian environment, we have extensively tested for everyday use and for the toughest terrains throughout India in all weather conditions from -10 to +50 degrees centigrade. We have also taken it to the highest points in India, including the Khardungla. The Safari has been tested at 140 kilometers per hour for thousands of kilometers. During validation, we have ensured that the gear shifts are done at max power to strain the engine and drivetrain even more. The Safari has also been tested through high humidity conditions in South India to make sure that the vehicle performs in all kinds of conditions. All this has ensured us a perfect product in the all-new Safari that we are bringing to you today. With this, I hand over to Vivek to showcase the highlights of the all-new Safari. Over to you, Vivek.
Thank you, Mohan. Good evening once again to all my friends from the media, and a very warm welcome to customers from across the world. My media friends have repeatedly said that India is an SUV country. The high seating, ability to seat more than 5 people in comfort, to manage suddenly varying road conditions makes the SUV body style more suited for Indian driving conditions. Indian customers are taking to the SUV category faster than ever. The SUV market has been growing consistently for a long time now and maturing as well. Newer subsegments are developing with different usage patterns emerging, and it is important to know that every single subsegment of the SUV category is growing. SUVs have grown from just about 8% in financial year 2001 to over 26% last year. And in terms of numbers, the SUV category has grown from 54,000 units a year 20 years back to over 7 lakh units last year. As the market matures, what an SUV means to a customer and the perception that it evokes has changed dramatically. SUVs have become more accessible to a wider range of customers, and it has moved from an elite niche to a proper mainstream category. The traditional perception of a tall, heavy, fuel guzzling, difficult to drive, expensive to maintain, tire eating, body on frame SUVs of the past are being very quickly replaced by SUVs built on monocoque structures. Today, we have SUVs of all sizes, from below 4 meters to beyond 5 meters. Most importantly, SUVs deliver key customer benefits of high ground clearance, comfortable and very usable space, higher power and torque, and the ability to take on most challenges of normal usage in India. SUVs increasingly deliver a superior balance of ride, handling, space, features, power, and cost of maintenance. Most importantly, SUVs still deliver the pride of ownership much higher than most other categories to the customer. Talking of changing customer behavior, our lives have seen permanent changes across all areas due to the pandemic. meeting family and friends has become the most sought after and desired activity. Increasingly, driving getaways with a group of people has become the safest, most practical and most preferred kind of vacation. Hence, having a safe, comfortable, powerful, feature-packed car capable of accommodating more than 5 people has become a necessity. With this context, it is the best time to bring to the market a safe, powerful and prestigious SUV. It is the best time to bring back an iconic SUV, an iconic brand and a very liberating brand promise. It is a great time for customers to gain back control and to reclaim their lives. It's time to welcome the Safari back onto Indian roads. The Safari was the SUV that introduced the SUV lifestyle to India. Safari is the flagship of our new forever range of Tata Motors. It exemplifies every pillar of the brand: design, driving pleasure, safety, connectivity and prestige. Design has been at the forefront of Tata Motors' resurgence in the market. New car buyer survey shows that Indian customers have increasingly rated good-looking and well-designed cars as the top reason to buy. With the Impact Design 2.0, Tata Motors has the most synergized design language, and with the Safari, Impact Design goes to its pinnacle. The domineering stance of the Safari creates a stunning impact, rivaling SUVs even from higher segments. The stepped roof, the premium grille, the imposing tailgate and the large 18-inch alloys create a towering and majestic stance from any angle. The interiors of the Safari are super premium. Ashwood dashboard delivers an ambience of opulence and sophistication. Paired with the oyster white color theme, the spacious and uncompromised space with 3 rows of stadium-style seating deliver luxurious seating for 6 or 7 passengers. At Tata Motors, we are focused on delivering reassuring ride and handling to each of our products to deliver an enjoyable drive whichever segment they are in. The Safari as a flagship delivers a new benchmark of drivability and handling. The proven and powerful 170 PS Cryotech engine has been consistently appreciated for its smooth and eager power delivery. Safari carries forward the Tata Motors DNA of multi-drive modes, and it is further paired with the advanced ESP-based terrain response modes. This ensures that our customers can choose where and how they would like to drive their Safari and derive maximum driving pleasure. Tata Motors has taken the lead in making the safest cars more accessible to Indian customers. Safari carries forward Tata Motors' commitment to safety, with safety being built inside out. As you all know, Safari is the second product on the Omega architecture, derived from the legendary D8 architecture from Land Rover. It has been proven for safety across the world over perhaps the toughest terrains known to exist. Modern monocoque construction with high-strength steel is the direction most SUVs are moving towards. With 6 airbags, disc brakes all over, tire pressure monitoring system, auto-dimming IRVM, cornering fog lamps and child seat ISOFIX anchor emphasize continuous safety throughout every drive. The Safari introduces electric parking brake to our portfolio with a very wide range of convenience and safety features to our customers. We believe that perhaps this will be the highest used, most important and convenient safety feature on a day-to-day basis. At Tata Motors, we strongly believed that electronic stability program is extremely important for crash avoidance. We have provided ESP to our compact SUV, the Nexon, and the ESP version in the Safari is most advanced and versatile, delivering 14 different functionalities that aids in crash avoidance, providing a blanket safety across a wide range of terrain and situations on the road. Infotainment has been a pillar for Tata Motors for the last few years. We introduced high-quality branded audio and took the game forward with a connected car pack made specifically for Indian usage pattern, IRA Connected for India. And it is now time to introduce IRA to our Omega Arc products. IRA brings a wide range of extremely useful, safety, gamification, and vehicle diagnostic oriented features to the Safari. Safari being a flagship product, delivering high quality comfort and essence of pride and prestige was high priority. Starting with the luxurious captain seats with stadium style seating and the option of a 6 or 7 seater, Safari offers high flexibility for a comfortable drive in any conditions. At its core, Safari has been designed to deliver great comfort to 6 or 7 passengers, which means that the third row is not a compromise. A lot of thought has gone to deliver the best possible comfort, space, and convenience in the third row. Not only have we released the best possible space, the third row seats are also designed to provide best possible seating configuration like floor to seat height, third row legroom, thigh support, and a large recline angle to the backrest to provide seating comfort for long distances. Focus convenience features like dedicated USB port, cup holders, a dedicated AC unit with controller, a large glass area to provide a feeling of space to the third row. The modular boot space takes the versatility of the Safari to the next level. The 9 different modes of seating configuration makes the Safari well suited for all your needs, be it your family drive, a business trip, or a weekend camping trip. Safari comes with the widest in segment panoramic sunroof with safety features like global closure, rain sensing closure, and anti-pinch functionality. Additionally, Safari offers a special Boss mode, releasing spacious legroom in the second row over long distances with just the touch of a lever. Mood lighting adds to the perfect ambience during your night drives. The Safari offers intelligently designed cubby holes to carry all your essentials everywhere. Let us now look at the variant walk. To begin with, the base XC variant is fully packed. It offers dual airbags, an electronic stability program along with hill hold control and rollover mitigation. Disc brakes all over make it a well-rounded package. Multi-drive modes and touchscreen music system starts from the XM variant onwards. In the XT variant, we offer IRA connectivity, R18 alloy wheels, fully automatic climate control, and it also comes with an option of a panoramic sunroof. The top of the line XZ variant offers xenon HID headlamps, terrain response modes, 6 airbags, electronic parking brake with auto hold, 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment with the 9 JBL speakers and a subwoofer, powered driver seat, diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, and it comes with an option of a panoramic sunroof. Let us now look at what the new Safari looks like. Can we have the AV please? Dear customers and friends from the media, from Tata Motors, we are extremely proud to bring the Safari back onto Indian roads. Customers can check out the Safari on our augmented reality platform on our website from the convenience of their mobile devices. To my dear media friends, wishing you an enjoyable and safe driving experience over the next few days. Looking forward to meeting you soon. Get ready to reclaim your life.